Hello, viewers. Welcome to Map Masters Tech, where we dive deep into all the tools and features of ArcMap. Here, you'll find comprehensive guides, tips, and tricks to master ArcMap and take your mapping skills to the next level. Let's dive into cadastral mapping, how to set 36 by 40 grid on Google Imagery and ArcMap in cadastral mapping. First, we'll begin by adding an acre grid in ArcMap. Start by entering Edit mode and open the attribute table. From there, select all features within your dataset. Then drag the grid over the Google Imagery. This process might take a few seconds to complete. Once the grid has fully loaded, zoom in on the imagery and carefully align the grid to ensure it overlays accurately. This will help you effectively manage and analyze land records with precision. You're right. Dragging the grid directly onto Google Imagery won't magically align it to an acre grid. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how to achieve precise alignment. Understanding the issue. Google Imagery doesn't inherently have an acre grid built into it. The resolution of the imagery might not be precise enough for accurate acre grid alignment. Your existing dataset and the acre grid likely have different spatial references, coordinate systems. This means they're measuring distances and positions differently, causing misalignment. Here you see on screen how acre grid set on imagery by using Editor tool. It takes some seconds to align or overlay on the imagery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't miss out on the next video in this series. We'll be taking a closer look at the next step in this process. Thanks for watching.